Probably gonna call us crazy, but what are we doing, babe? A month and a half on the road with the kids. She's a happy camper. She thinks I could see her. She'll go like this, she'll go. Like I could see that from 50 feet away.
That's exactly what I do.
Or she'll go, you need to go right. I'm like, I'm 60 feet away from you. How can I hear that? We made it to Pensacola. It's raining cats and dogs, but we're still gonna have a great time. So this is why we got a bigger RV. First day on vacation, and it's raining in Pensacola Beach, and it's supposed to for the next few days. Hey kids, what are we doing?
We're at Pensacola Beach and she's not allowed to be up here. Oh, can you get bring down?
Really looking forward to this and showing the kids some of the history. I already showed them a lot of the stuff that Daddy used to go to, the Dunker Tank and the rescue swimmer school and where I went to ground school. So really neat experience. Well, it's really something special to be here with the kids at the Naval Air Museum. Looks like they got a new hangar here. That's really cool. Here over in the Coast Guard section in this new hangar, reminiscing and with the kids, and really cool experience. There's $2.5 million in McGuire. The Bentley RV Trip 2019. On.
It's really funny because Jack.
All right, sun came out for just a little bit, so it's time to go to the pool. That was some serious monkey barring.
Here we go now.
See how long it is till they throw us out of here.
Here we go now.
Sun is out, heading to the beach.
Here we go now. Here we go now. Here we go now. Here we go now.
I don't know, there's something about jet ski and goggles, it just kills me. So this has been our routine over the past few days. These big storms roll through with this front. We've ducked down. We don't have to run back to the RV. What do y'all think of our little bunker, Mama?
Fun.
It's full. It has a hole.
It has a hole.
Here we go now.
This is Flippy.
What is Flippy?
A crab. A hermit one. But I picked this one and I named him Flippy.
All right, well thank you for introducing me to Flippy.
They come out, okay, Mom? You're welcome.
Sunset RV. Sunset RV. Did I mention the RVs right there? So we've had a great vacation. We're gonna leave out. We're gonna leave out super early in the morning, right as the sun comes up. Get to Longview, hopefully before sunset. I'm shooting for 6 o'clock, and then we're gonna hang out with our relatives and on Lake Cherokee, and then we start heading west. Go west, my friend. Go west.